Hello, how's everyone doing today? Welcome back to another episode of Gobbledygook. Today's preparation is called Kochu Bata or Taro Root paste, I guess in English. And as always, this is a very quick recipe, super simple, bursting with flavors. So see you on the other side of the music. The dish that I'm making today, Kochu Bata or taro paste, I find it very interesting. The first reason is that taro is actually a root, and roots form a very important part of Bengali cuisine. We cook many different types of roots and we have many preparations that we make using those roots. What is great about today's recipe though is that it does not require cooking at all, so it's super fast. The other interesting thing is that sliminess is an important texture in Bengali cuisine, and some of our dishes make use of ingredients that are quite slimy. And taro root in particular, if it's quite slippery, especially if you soak it in water, you can see how slippery it can get. But nevertheless, it contributes towards a great tasting recipe. One word of warning, my friends, if you haven't had this root before, it can cause some irritation or itching in the throat. So in my recipe, I have used lime juice, which will help prevent this itching. So do not omit that. And with that, let's get cooking.